Ben Murray here with our edition of SaaS Metrics School. Hope everyone's doing well. Recording this on the road from my laptop. So okay. But just got off a call with a SaaS company. And one thing I have to stress here, kind of an ad hoc episode here, but if you're in a cash burn situation, if you don't quite understand your financials, cash continues to dwindle. We've got to have good structure in our expenses. Revenue, even if revenue structured poorly, at least it's in its own spot on the P&L. We can figure out how much revenue we're posting a month, how much revenue we are invoicing. But expenses, if we have a big bucket of expenses, if we have wages coded to the wrong departments, if we have commingled departments where we're combined departments that don't make sense to combine on the P&L, we will not have the visibility to improve the cash burn situation in our SaaS company. We won't know what our gross profit is. We won't know our OpEx profile. As a SaaS CFO, I don't know where to focus to improve the business. And this is pretty common. I talk about this over and over. Step one of your financial journey is setting up your chart of accounts so it's SaaSified. Step two is creating the proper SaaS P&L. If you followed step one, there's a sequential order to this process that I teach in my webinars. I teach in my SaaS Metrics course. And so important because things that are really structurally actually pretty simple really cause a lot of trouble when we're trying to right size our business to find that compatibility or just understand in our expense base, where are we overspending? Maybe we want to spend money there, but we just don't have the cash runway for it. So we have to have good expense visibility. This comes from the proper chart of accounts, proper department coding. Of course, we have to have clear and distinct revenue categories. So if you're struggling with profitability, if you're struggling with your cash runway, let's look at our P&L. Is it SaaSified? Is our chart of accounts SaaSified? Do we have expense detail? Do we know where every dollar of wages is being spent in our company and for contractors as well? Because if you think about our SaaS P&L, most of the investment when you look at your monthly SaaS P&L is people and contractors. So we have to have good definition there. So a little bit of an ad hoc episode, but again, I've talked about this before, but it's so important. Step one, your accounting foundation, that details. Step two, your SaaS P&L. And with that, without even metrics yet, we can make informed decisions. So just a quick episode on this. And again, happy to discuss this. If you're having issues, please email me at ben@thesaascfo.com. Thanks.